The first 30 minutes can change everything. What if the secret to faster muscle gain, fat loss, and all-day energy was something you did within the first 30 minutes of waking up? Sounds too simple, right? But here's the science-backed truth. Eating 30 grams of protein right after you wake up can completely reset your metabolism, optimize your hormones, curb cravings, and even help you build lean muscle faster, whether you train or not. This tiny habit could be the game changer your morning routine is missing. Welcome back to the Daily Rep, the place where real fitness meets real results. No fluff, no gimmicks, just straight-up tips that actually work. Today we're diving into something powerful, simple, and shockingly underrated: consuming 30 grams of protein first thing in the morning. If you've been skipping breakfast, relying on caffeine, or eating high-carb meals in the AM, this video might completely shift your perspective and your physique. Boosts morning mental focus and clarity in your brain is coming out of a fasting state. Feeding it 30 grams of protein immediately gives it the amino acids it needs to function optimally. These amino acids help produce dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, neurotransmitters that boost focus, mood, and alertness. So instead of feeling groggy or reaching for coffee after coffee, you'll feel sharper, faster, and more mentally dialed in all morning long. And kickstarts thermogenesis, and fat-burning protein has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein than carbs or fat. Eating 30 grams of protein first thing boosts your metabolism for the rest of the day. It forces your body to work harder to process it, increasing energy expenditure. Studies show that people who eat a high-protein breakfast burn more fat throughout the day, especially belly fat. Preserves and builds lean muscle. After 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body is in a catabolic state, breaking down tissue for fuel. If you don't eat, your muscles are the first to suffer. But getting 30 grams of high-quality protein quickly switches your body into an anabolic state, one where it starts rebuilding and repairing muscle. Whether you're training that day or not, it primes your body to build muscle and recover. Reduces cravings and late-night snacking. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. It keeps you full longer, stabilizes blood sugar, and crushes cravings. Starting your day with 30 grams of protein has been shown to reduce ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and increase levels of peptide YY, a hormone that makes you feel full. People who do this often find they naturally eat fewer calories throughout the day, especially at night when snacking usually hits. Improves blood sugar and hormone balance. Protein-first breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar, which is key for energy, mood, and hormone regulation. Spiking your blood sugar early with sugary cereals or toast causes crashes later, leading to irritability and fatigue. But protein slows digestion, prevents those crashes, and supports insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage carbs more efficiently throughout the day. What you eat in the morning often determines what you'll eat the rest of the day. If you start with protein, you're less likely to crave sugar, binge on snacks, or overeat at lunch. It also signals to your brain that you're in control, and that discipline leads to better food choices throughout the day. Easy, high-protein breakfast ideas. 30 grams in one meal. Getting 30 grams might sound like a lot, but it's not. Here are some examples. 3 eggs plus 1 cup. Greek yogurt equals 30 grams in 1 scoop whey protein plus 2 boiled eggs equals 30 grams in cottage cheese, plus handful of nuts equals 30 grams in chicken breast wrap, plus protein shake equals 30 grams in. You can mix and match what works for you, but the key is simple. Hit that 30 grams target right after waking up. What science says, backed by research and multiple studies, show that individuals who eat 30 grams of protein in the morning lose more fat, retain more lean muscle, and feel fuller longer than those who eat a carb-heavy breakfast. Research from the University of Missouri found that high-protein breakfasts significantly reduced evening snacking and improved body composition over time, even with no change in exercise habits. What to avoid? The worst morning habits: skipping breakfast, just drinking coffee, eating high-sugar, low-protein foods. These habits lead to poor blood sugar control, energy crashes, and increased fat storage, especially around the belly. Replace them with a protein-first approach and notice how quickly your mood, energy, and physique begin to shift. Who should do this? Whether you're bulking, cutting, or just trying to stay lean, This rule applies. Especially helpful for people with busy mornings, those struggling with appetite control, and anyone trying to lose belly fat, and lifters looking to build more muscle without extra supplements. It's also beginner-friendly. No gym needed, no complicated meal prep. Just consistent, smart choices. Try it for 7 days. Want to feel the difference? Try eating 30 grams of protein every morning for 7 days. Track your hunger, mood, energy, and workouts. Most people report better focus, fewer cravings, improved body composition, and a huge boost in morning motivation. It's simple, powerful, and totally doable. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Daily Rep, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications because we're just getting started. Stay connected with us for more real, honest, and powerful tips to transform your body and mind the healthy way. Don't just watch others change. Become your own success story. See you in the next one.